Your kid is too good at school to score well on the SAT. Picture this. Your kid has been doing SAT practice tests for 3 months. Flashcards, prep books, Khan Academy, you name it. But the score hasn't moved. They're getting A's in AP Calculus, but can't break 650 on SAT Math, and nobody can explain why. But here's why. Being a good student and being good at the SAT are not the same skill. School rewards showing your work, being thorough, and getting it right. The SAT rewards being quick, being strategic, and knowing when to not do the math at all. A student who has spent 4 years as the perfect student is often the hardest student to coach for this test. Why? Because everything the SAT asks them to do feels wrong. Today, we're partnering with Wyzant on this video. I spent years in education, and I want to tell you what I'd look for because most parents are searching for the wrong thing. I had a student, let's name him Tyler. AP Calculus, strong GPA, SAT Math stuck in the 600s. He'd taken 3 practice tests and the score needle barely moved. When I sat with him, I saw the problem immediately. He was solving SAT problems the way he solved calc problems, showing every step, checking his work, being thorough and careful, but completely running out of time. The SAT is not a math test. It's a reasoning test with a timer, and it's specifically designed to punish the behavior that makes students like Tyler excellent in the classroom. I found a tutor on Wyzant who listed SAT strategy as their specialty, specifically time management and test strategy. First session, they didn't review a single math concept. Instead, the tutor showed Tyler how to look at the answer choices before setting up the problem, how to eliminate the 2 options that are clearly designed to catch students who do the work the long way, how to game the structure of the question itself. Tyler didn't need to learn more math. He knew enough math to build a bridge, but he needed to stop being a student and start being a test taker. That's a shift in identity, and it's very hard to make that shift on your own from a prep book. Wyzant is a marketplace, which means how useful it is depends entirely on how specifically you search. If you type math tutor, you'll get someone who knows math. For a student already in AP Calc, that isn't what you're hiring for. You need to search for SAT-specific experience. Look for tutors who use words like trap recognition, pacing, and time management in their bio. That specificity is the difference between a useful hire and an expensive one. Wyzant has over 65,000 tutors across more than 300 subjects. For SAT prep specifically, you can filter by test, by score range, even teaching approach. Skeptical? You can read detailed reviews from other students and parents. You can also message a tutor before you book. There are no packages and no mandatory courses. You pay for the sessions you need with the specific person you chose. The good fit guarantee means the first session is risk-free. If it doesn't click, you don't pay. If your student has hit a wall and more practice isn't moving the score, the problem probably isn't the effort, it's the strategy. And strategy is something you learn from a tutor who has cracked the test themselves. Link is in the description. The next time your kid sits down with a practice test, watch how they work through the problem. If they're showing every step, that's your answer. That's what needs to change.